Hey there YouTube, Mitch back with a new truck that we just got, 91 Sonoma and a 355 stroker. It's on some weld aluminum rims, some BF Goodrich rears. Let's see what size they are. They look 250-ish, 235 70-15s in the rear. They did the battery in the trunk. Interior is not completely basic. They left carpet and door panels and everything, so it's a daily driver car. Pop the hood, show you guys what it's got going on down there. We'll fire it up and let you tell us what you think. So electric water pump and some long tubes, MSD stuff. Griffin radiator. Brand new paint job, cow induction hood. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you're interested in the truck, it's available at I-95muscle.com. Look forward to hearing what you guys think about this.